Hello, Bear families. We are reaching out today to provide our start of school COVID protocols. It is important to note that these apply to the start of school, but we will continue to evaluate our situation and make adjustments as needed. We want to start by stating that our students in North Royalton will be in school this year. We do not have a remote option at this time, and we do not expect to need one. The big question is, what will that look like? We have been working hard to find the right balance between the least restrictive educational environment and the safest way to proceed with school. There are several factors that impact these decisions, and we have worked hard to come to the right conclusion for our students. This includes understanding the quarantine guidelines and what it will take to keep students in school. We know that there are strong opinions on both sides of this topic. We understand and respect these opinions and the input we have received while processing this decision. Our goal is to do what we believe is the right thing for our students and the overall school community based on our local data along with input from our healthcare professionals. We want to keep students in school as much as possible and mitigate the spread of the virus. Here are the most critical, but not all, of the factors that are guiding our decisions. North Royalton and Broadview Heights cases have risen over the past 3 weeks. We are seeing a clear upward trend in our local data. Health officials believe that vaccinations are the best way to keep spread low and also to avoid needing to be quarantined. Our students 11 and under are not eligible for the vaccine. Quarantine guidelines allow vaccinated individuals, along with unvaccinated but masked individuals, to not be quarantined when exposed. We have already experienced the need to quarantine students in our summer school program where face coverings were not required. As a result, we will be opening the school year with the following protocols. 1. We will be requiring face coverings for all students 11 years old and younger when indoors. 2. Staff working with students 11 and under will wear face coverings when teaching students indoors. 3. We will be strongly recommending face coverings for students 12 and older, especially if they're not vaccinated, when they are indoors. And number 4, all students will be required to wear face coverings on the bus as mandated by the Ohio Department of Health. In addition, we will continuing layering the safety protocols we used last year that were most effective in providing the least restrictive educational environment while mitigating the spread of the virus. Distancing, cleaning, ventilation, and health screenings will all be in place. We believe this approach will give us the best opportunity to keep our students in school. We strongly encourage unvaccinated individuals 12 and older to choose to wear face covering. It is not required, but we want to keep our students in school and engaged in the learning process. We plan to revisit these protocols every week by looking at our local data and continuing discussions with the health department. We will consider going back to strongly recommended, but not required, for everyone when we feel it is appropriate to do so. We will be working with our staff to discuss how we want to provide different times throughout the day to space students out for mask breaks and let them outside. In addition, we are currently working on plans for lunch. We will create an environment where students can be distanced so they can remove their face covering and eat. We thank you for your patience and support as we navigate this situation. We are excited to get our students back in the classroom and begin our school year. Thank you.